Hilton versus Marriott Hotel. Today in this video I will show you both hotels. Both are big brand American chain hotels. I've never been in there. I'm taking with me Marcus.
Hi, hello.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Okay, take a look at both hotels, a room, rooftop pool, this and that. Yeah, stay tuned. Maybe that's the right place for you. Both hotels are located directly at the Han River. Okay, this is the Han River. This here is the Dragon Bridge, and 10 minutes away is the beach. So you are closer to the airport than to the beach. But this is also a very beautiful area to walk, especially night walks. You have all kinds of nice restaurants in this neighborhood, the Hai Chau district of Danang. So very interesting to have a little bit of a different type of vacation here in the city center, but still the option to go to the beach. Now let's start Courtyard by Marriott. They just opened up the doors and we're gonna go through it now.
And it's completely new, right?
Yeah, it's new.
Wow.
It's brand new. It looks very beautiful. Hello. Oh wow. Look at this entrance, and it smells like Marriott. I have that smell too. My wife bought it one time on Shopee. So we do have 6 elevators here. Very nice. And here's the bar. Okay. This is how it looks. Very high end here. And let's check out the restaurant first. All right, nice. So this is the breakfast area or something? Oh, this is the breakfast area, right? Oh, landmark restaurant. Oh, and then you have the buffet here?
Yes.
Okay, hello. Yeah, looks nice here. Okay. This is the entrance here. We got a kettle. Okay, mini bar is probably over here. All right. You got some storage room, tea and coffee. Okay. What is this? Dressing room?
Dressing room.
Oh, yes. Okay. This is the changing room, and you get a big laptop-sized safety box. Nice slippers here. Okay. Okay, Marcus, looks very nice and clean. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. You have a Japanese toilet and no view, but it is amazing. Look at this. You have a Japanese toilet, you have a shower over here, separated, okay, and a bathtub. And you can see the corn tower over there. Very nice. Very nice. This is a good one. Total. Very high end everything here. Mm-hmm. Okay.
For a long stay, we can offer
Got a
the reasonable rate.
Yes.
thick mattress. Very good. 4 pillows. Okay. No nonsense over here. And yeah, it's very nice here. Nice quality. This is a little bit
This is nice too.
tricky,
Look at this.
but you can have a beautiful view from here too.
And also you can watch people swimming.
Oh, what is down there?
It's a hotel, I guess.
Do you know what this is down there? The pool?
Hilton.
This is the
Hilton Hotel.
Hilton. Ah, okay, got it. All right. So the Hilton is right next door, guys. Okay, perfect. You got some power plugs here. Okay, don't even need a adapter. Right here as well.
The only thing is, I would say this is a little bit too big, or it's not. You can't go there.
Yeah,
It's just
I would put this a little bit over
Yes.
there. Yeah. All right. Big TV. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
This is the premium room.
Premium room.
Premium, and above we have the bathtub.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
Next, I will show you the deluxe room.
All right, guys. So this here is the standard room. Okay. I actually like this also. I like this even more. It's nice and spacious here.
Hello.
And look at this. This is also very unique.
I like it very much.
Yeah. And
we can open the door.
you have a Japanese toilet over there, so you can have a little bit of a look.
Yes.
This looks very comfy here. Relax here. What is this? Loco restaurant.
Also, you have a function here, Sam. Look at
Oh yeah, you can close it too.
Yeah.
Very modern. Big mirror over here.
Yeah.
This here also Nirvav. And you can also have a seat while you're showering.
Yeah.
Especially for older people like Marcus.
Yeah. I play pickleball, man.
Okay. Okay, everything else is the same. You also have the wardrobe and the safety box, slippers and everything else. All right. I think let's check out the pool, right?
Yes.
All right, guys, we are here at the gym.
Yes.
Oh, wow, okay.
The gym also has
It's very
nice
bright.
restaurant.
Oh, thank you.
How do we get in there? Here or there?
No. It's closed.
So you need a card to get in? All right. Okay, there's a techno gym here. Hello. Oh, this looks pretty nice here. It's a techno gym and very modern and bright.
To be honest, it's
Yeah.
Look at the displays.
Wow.
This kind of things just right.
Guys, yeah, look at this. How you have this beautiful view to the Dragon Bridge right there. They have an indoor pool and an outdoor pool. All right. So this is the indoor pool. So no matter what weather it is, you can do your laps here. Looks very nice here as well. It is very warm here. Yeah. So I think especially when it is rainy season in December, you can also see, look at this, you can see the airport, you can see the planes coming up there and the other part of Danang. Very interesting, guys. There's a lap pool over there. Huh. Yeah. Wow, that looks good. Okay guys, so this here is the pool. Upstairs pool. Oh wow. I think this is very high up here. Might be even the highest pool in Danang. Look at this, we're on the 45th floor. We can see the airplanes from here. Bana Hills is over there. This here is the Han River and the beach is over there. The Antung area, we see the Muang Thang building. Might be even smaller than this, right, Marcus?
It seems like they have 42. They have
40.
45 now.
40?
It is 45.
This is 45, yeah. But it also looks like it is a little bit higher. This might be the highest tower now here. Yeah. Beautiful lap pool over here.
You can use also this tool to see the Lady Buddha.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
I
Let's
have
check
no
this out.
idea.
Okay, you got a little children's room over here. A restaurant. Is this a restaurant? Not done yet, but this
It's
is.
not open yet.
Oh, it's not open yet.
It's supposed to be the Japanese restaurant with
Japanese restaurant.
omakase stuff.
Omakase, okay, that's good. You can get some ice cream. And from this side, you also have a beautiful view from the Corn Tower, the Novotel. We also did a review about that. And the Sonsha Peninsula. Beautiful. The Sonsha, look at this, how clear the water, the sky is right now. Yeah, I could imagine this is the highest tower here. What do you see? You see a bright future for us?
I think I can.
This is beautiful. You have a proper beach view from here. You can almost see all the way to the Marble Mountains over there. Very interesting, guys.
No, I really like this area. Look at this. With all these, what is it? Wood?
Yeah.
It's not a jungle. I don't know in English what you call it. It's a wood.
But yeah, the Hilton is somewhere down there. Hilton Danang, Riverside. This is, yeah, the first Hilton here in this neighborhood. We already reviewed the Hilton Garden Inn at the beach, and now it's the Hilton. All right, guys, so this here is the entrance. Oh, look at this beautiful elevator here.
Yeah. And there's
Nice.
28 floors.
Okay, 28 floors, and you have an executive lounge and Kone elevator. Guys, nice and quiet here. Bouncy floor. This here is the Hilton. Oh, it looks very like classy. Very classy and edel. What is the English word for edel?
Oh, I really love fancy.
Fancy, yeah.
But look at this fancy view.
Very beautiful view. You can see the Sunshine Mountains.
Yeah.
Nice. And there's an apartment building here.
Right next to it, yes.
This is a twin-bedded room. Okay. You get a bathtub over there. And of course you have kettle, coffee, tea. Ooh. Okay. It looks very nice here. Proper Hilton. Toilet, bum gun, check. And this is the toilet. Oh no, this is the shower. Okay. Nice and spacious. And let's see if there's some. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh my God, this is the biggest safe I've ever seen.
What is it?
Look at the safe.
Box? Okay.
Okay guys, so if you have a lot of valuables, this is the place to be. This is huge.
But it's also nice.
Yeah.
Because imagine somebody wants to pick it up.
Yeah.
It's difficult.
Okay guys, this is the Sail. This is the rooftop bar here. So you can also eat something here. You can get a pho. Yeah. What else do they have here? Ah, lots of food here. All right, let's check it out. This is a beautiful bar here. Okay. And you have a beautiful view outside again. Also, you can sit outside there. This is also interesting, guys. So, lots of seating possibilities in AC and then also outside. And this is right next to the Marriott by Courtyard. Okay, guys, so this here is also the look to the Novotel, guys. So we also reviewed the Novotel before. We pretty much reviewed all river hotels. The big ones definitely. Melia Windper we did. Azura is the apartment building. All right, guys. So this is the gym here. Looks also very nice. This is not a techno gym. This is something else, but it's nice and cold and smells good here. You also have a beautiful view over there, and I think you can properly work out here. Let's test, Marcus. Get the heavy weights.
So it's just the heavy weights for everyone. You have to crop it in.
All right. Marcus is becoming a gym influencer, a fitness influencer. This is the yoga room, I think. You have this machine, this. I think you can have a proper workout here. So the gym is 24 hours open, and there's also the pool, but there's so many children right now and I don't want to film in there. So yeah, but also they have it's on the 4th floor and it's a smaller pool there.
Look at this, a children jail.
Yeah, a jail.
Can't escape.
Yeah, or maybe we can put some Marcuses in there as well. All right. Okay, Marcus, so what do you think about the Marriott?
I would say both rooms, what we saw, is in general good, but for me on this level I would say they could do better. Because you had no space between the window and the bed when you wanted to pass by, or in the standard room they just put it two little couches together and it seems like one. So for me it looks like they pushed themselves a little bit to get it finished.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's nice. It smells nice when you come in.
Yes.
I only saw one, and they were a little bit hesitant to show me something. Both hotels actually had to get their sales representative. Yes. The first one, in Marriott, they did not even want to call them. I said, should I call them now? And then they did. Then the sales guy came, and then he gave us a sales tour.
Yeah.
Sadly, not like always I do on my channel. Usually I just go in and get a normal room tour like you would get as well. But we got a sales team room tour in both hotels. Hilton the same, but Hilton went super quick. We walked in, we said, can we see a room? And they said, okay, we will call the sales team for you and just sit down. And then it went pretty quick. So Hilton went pretty quick. Marriott a little bit slower, but they are pretty new. So they opened this year, and the Hilton is 6 years old.
Yeah, and maybe one little side fact: this nice hotel has 300 rooms.
Wow,
That's a lot.
it's a lot. The hotel rooms, the beds and everything is very nice, and they have the toilets that I love so much. So definitely room-wise and the rooftop pool-wise, nice. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.